Hello children, I hope you all are doing well at home. Dear children, today we will continue Standard 6 Social Science Part 2 Geography Chapter 1. In my previous class we already discussed groups of planets. There are mainly two groups of planets, inner planets and outer planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the Sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Inner planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are called the inner planets. They are very close to the Sun. They are made up of rocks. They are also known as terrestrial planets. Outer planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called the outer planets. These planets are very far from the Sun. They are made up of gases and are cold. They are also known as Jovian planets. Main features of the planets: 1. They are heavenly bodies. 2. They do not have their own heat and light. 3. They reflect the light of the Sun. 4. All planets are spherical in shape. 5. They move around the Sun from west to east. 6. They move around the Sun in an orbit. 7. While revolving around the Sun, the planets also rotate on their axis. 8. Each planet takes different time to complete one revolution around the Sun and one rotation on its axis. Mercury is the closest to the Sun. It is the fastest moving planet and takes only 88 days to revolve once around the Sun. It takes 59 days to complete one rotation on its axis. This is the smallest planet in the solar system and has no moon. Dear students, see, this is Mercury planet. Students, turn the page. Venus is the brightest object in the sky except the Sun and the Moon. It is similar to the Earth in size and mass. Hence, it is also called the Earth's twin. It appears in the sky shortly before sunrise and shortly after sunset. It is also known as morning and evening star. It has a thick atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. It takes 225 days to complete one revolution around the Sun and 243 days to complete one rotation on its axis. Unlike other planets, it rotates from the east to west. It is very hot and has no moon. Students, see, this is the Venus planet. Earth is the largest among the terrestrial planets. It is the third planet from the Sun and is the fifth largest in the solar system. Earth not only revolves around the Sun but also rotates around its axis. The shape of the Earth is spherical, but it bulges at the equator and flattens at the poles. It takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the Sun and 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. Okay students, thank you.